Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Okay, so today video we do an extra exercise on parabola. Okay, so recall back. So we have four type of parabola, which is open upward, open downward, open to the right, and open to the left. Okay, so standard formula x minus h power of 2 4p y minus k. Okay, so coordinate of vertex given by h k. Okay, so kita ambil simbol yang terbalik lah, opposite symbol. Okay, and p is the distance from vertex to focus. Okay, so this one p. Okay, so this one also p, and here also p. Okay, so same for the open to the right. Okay, so open to the right, here also p, and this one also p. Here also p, and this one also p distance. Okay, so dia punya persamaan dia almost same, only different inside the power of 2 here is x, and open to the right and to the left is y. Okay, so next for the 4p, negative for the open downward, and negative for p open to the left. Okay, okay, so first question, find the vertex, focus, and directrix of parabola y square minus 2y minus 16x plus 49 equal to 0. Okay, so the power of 2 now is y. So power of 2 y. So we have the parabola whether it is open to the right or open to the left. Okay. Okay, so therefore for this one you need to do completing square. So y square minus 2y equal to 16x minus 49. Okay, so saya ambil yang y kuasa 2 je lah, sebab completing square untuk yang kuasa 2 sahaja. Okay, so first make sure the coefficient of y square is 1. So here already 1. Okay, so therefore do the CTS. So we have y square minus 2y plus 1 bracket power of 2 and then minus another 1 bracket power of 2. So equal to 16x minus 49. Okay, so inside the bracket we put negative 2. Okay, so kita ambil yang ni negative 2 divide by 2. Negative 2 divide by 2. So therefore we have here y square minus 2y plus by negative 2 divide by 2 is negative 1 power of 2 minus by this one also same negative 1 power of 2 equal to 16x minus by 49. Okay, so next do 1 bracket here power of 2, and then inside the bracket we put y and negative 1, and then minus negative 1 power of 2 is 1 equal to 16x minus by 49. Okay, so y minus 1 square equal to 16x minus 49 plus by 1. Okay, so therefore you have y minus 1 square equal to 16x minus by 48. Okay, so next, dah siap belum? Belum, because here the coefficient of x is 16. Okay, so kalau kita tengok standard form dia, we have x 1x minus by h. Here also same 1x minus by h. Okay, okay, so therefore you need to factorize 16. Okay, so kena faktorkan 16 ni. Okay, so therefore for this one, so you have y minus by 1 power of 2 equal to 16. Okay, so dah faktorkan 16, here only left x minus by 48 factor out 16 is 3. Okay, so this one is the standard equation of the parabola. Okay, here since here positive 16, therefore the shape of the parabola is open to the right. Okay, so open to the right, so here is vertex and here is focus, inside the curve focus, and outside the vertex, outside the curve is directrix. Okay, so sekarang dah dapat position untuk vertex, focus dan directrix, so kita bolehlah cari. Okay, so now list down what is the vertex. Okay, so vertex is equal to, so negative 1 become, first coordinate of x. So negative 3 become 3 and negative 1 become 1. Okay, and then focus, before that is for p. Okay, so for p is equal to 16. So p is equal to 16 divided by 4, which is 4. Okay, so next focus. Okay, so focus. Okay, so kalau kita tengok focus ni dengan directrix ni, daripada vertex dia pergi kanan ataupun kiri. So bila kanan ataupun kiri berkaitan dengan paksi y, paksi x. So it is about the paksi x exists. So therefore we change the coordinate of x. This one, okay. So 3. Okay, so focus on the right of the vertex. So focus ni berada pada kanan daripada vertex ni. So daripada vertex dia pergi ke kanan. So therefore kalau pergi kanan we need to plus. Okay, so plus by p, which is 4. And coordinate y same. Okay, so therefore we have p, which is 7, 1. And then directrix. Okay, so directrix on the left side of vertex. So di sebelah kiri. So sebelah kiri maksudnya kita kena tolak lah. Okay, so x is equal to 3 minus by 4. So we have equation of directrix x equal to negative 1. Okay, so next, dah finish lah. So kita dah ada vertex. Okay, so we already have vertex, focus and directrix. Okay, so next. Okay, so find the standard equation of a parabola x square minus 2x. Okay, so x square minus 2x plus 12y minus 35 equal to 0. Hence, state the vertex, focus and directrix. Okay, so kita nak cari standard equation of this parabola. Okay, so the power of 2 now is x. Okay, so we need to do CTS on x. Okay, so we do it x square minus 2x equal to negative 12y plus by 35. Okay, so next make sure the coefficient of x square is 1. So here already 1, therefore you just do it x square minus 2x plus 1 bracket power of 2 minus 1 bracket power of 2 equal to negative 12y plus by 35. Okay, so inside the bracket, so we put negative 2 over 2. Here also same, negative 2 over 2. Okay, so therefore we have x square minus 2x plus by negative 1 power of 2 minus by negative 1 power of 2 equal to negative 12y plus by 35. Okay, so next, do another bracket, power of 2, and inside the bracket we put x and minus 1, and then minus this one minus. Okay, minus 1 power of 2 is positive 1 equal to 12y plus by 35. Okay, so next, x minus 1 power of 2 equal to 12y plus by 35, this one plus by 1. Okay, so you have x minus 1 power of 2 equal to 12y plus by 36. Okay, so sama macam yang sebelum-sebelumnya, the coefficient of y must be 1, but here 12. Okay, so therefore you need to factorize 12 lah. So kena keluarkan 12. So x minus 1 square is equal to 12. Already factor out 12. So here you have y and here you have 3. Okay, so before that, this one power of 2 is x. So bila power of 2 is x, the shape is masam ataupun senyum, and here is positive. So since it is positive, so therefore the shape of the parabola is smile. Okay, therefore the standard form of the equation of parabola is x minus h power of 2 equal to 4p y minus by k. Okay, so vertex equal to 1 and 3. Okay, and 4p is equal to 12. Okay, so this one implies p equal to 12 divided by 4, which is 3. Okay, so dah dapat p, dah dapat vertex. Okay, so next we need to find focus and directrix. Okay, so since the shape is open upward, which is mild, okay, so the focus inside the curve, vertex at the end of this curve, and directrix outside the curve. Okay, so dia dekat bawah, directrix kat bawah, focus dekat atas. Okay, so naik turun. So bila naik turun berkaitan dengan paksi y. So therefore we need to change the coordinate of y. Okay, so therefore for the focus, okay, so daripada vertex tu we take 1, 3. Okay, so vertex 1, 3. So focus dia naik ke atas. So naik ke atas banyak p. So 3 plus by 3, which is equal to 1, 6. And then directrix. Okay, so directrix y equal to, so coordinate of y for vertex is 3. So dia turun ke bawah. So turun ke bawah we minus by 3. Okay, so which is y equal to 0. Dah siap. Okay, so next question. Okay, so this one. So given the equation 2y in bracket y minus x equal to negative 16 x minus 4. So find the standard form of the parabola, the vertex and the equation of directrix, and hence sketch the parabola with the correct vertex and directrix. Okay, so first kat sini saya tak nampak punya square-square. So memang tak nampak sebab dia trick sikit kat sini. So you need to expand this one. So if you expand, you will have 2y square. Okay, so kembangkan 2y square minus 2y times by negative 8, which is 8 times 2, 16y, equal to this one also expand. You need to expand. Okay, so negative 16x plus by 4 times 16 is 64. Okay, so kat sini dah nampak macam x minus h. Kenapa nak kena expand juga ni? So expand dulu sebab nanti dekat sini ni, the left side you will have one constant. Okay, and then you need to plus by 64. Okay, so nanti kita tengok ni. Okay, so 2y square minus 16y equal to negative 16x plus 64. Okay, so this one on the left side you need to do computing square. So how to do computing square? So first, make sure the coefficient of y square is 1, but here is 2. So you need to divide by 2. All of this one divide by 2. So 2y square divided by 2, so only y square. Negative 16 divided by 2, negative 8y, equal to negative 16x divided by 2, so negative 8x, plus 64 divided by 2 is 32. Okay, so next do completing square. So y square minus 8y plus 1 bracket power of 2 and then minus another bracket power of 2 equal to negative 8x plus 32. Okay, so next inside the bracket we put coefficient of y. Okay, so dalam bracket kita letak perkali y, which is negative 8. So here negative 8 divided by 2. Here also same, negative 8 divided by 2. Okay, so next you have y square minus 8y plus by negative 8 divided by 2, negative 4, minus by negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4, power of 2 equal to negative 8x plus 32. Okay, so next, so make one bracket power of 2 and then put inside the bracket y and negative 4, then minus this one, minus negative 4 power of 2 is positive 16. Okay, so minus by 16 equal to negative 8x plus 32. Okay. Sini tadi saya kata positive 16, kenapa negatif? So negative 4 power of 2 is positive 16, and then here there is negative, so become negative 16. Okay. So next, so this one constant, so you need to bring to the right, so become plus by 16. Y minus 4 power of 2 is equal to negative 8x plus 32 plus by 16. Okay, so next you will have here y minus 4 power of 2 is equal to negative 8x plus 32 plus 16 is plus 48. Okay, so next, so this one already y minus k power of 2, here negative 8x. Okay, so next we need to make the coefficient of x become 1, but this one is negative 8, so therefore you need to factorize negative 8. Okay, so here y minus 4 power of 2 is equal to negative 8. Okay, so look at, so negative 8x factorize negative 8, so you will have x, and here positive 48 become negative 6. Okay. So dapat negative 6, positive 48 divided by negative 8 ni. So sebab nak keluarkan negative 8 ni. Okay, so therefore you will have vertex equal to coordinate of x, here negative 6 become positive 6, and here negative 4 become positive 4, and then we have 4p, not 4p, negative 4p is equal to negative 8. Okay, so therefore you will have here 4p equal to 8, and p is equal to 8 divided by 4, which is 2. Okay. So next, so this one the power of 2 is on y. Okay, so kuasa 2 ni dekat y. Okay, so bila dekat y, bentuk dia the shape of the parabola is open to the right or open to the left. Okay, so dia sama ada yang ni lah, open to the right or open to the left. Okay, so nak tahu mana satu, so tengok yang ni. So this one is negative 8, since this is negative, so it is open to the left. Okay, so kita buka ke kiri. Okay, so this one, okay, so bentuk dia macam ni, open to the left. Okay, so next, dia tak nak fokus kan, so only need vertex and directrix. Okay, since the parabola open to the left, this one, so directrix is here, di sebelah kanan, betul? So this one vertex. Okay, so vertex, directrix here, D, directrix. Okay, dia pergi ke kanan, so means from vertex we need to plus P. Okay, so tambah P untuk pergi ke kanan. Okay, so apa yang kena tambah P, so what you need to plus P. Okay, so coordinate of x. Okay, sebab dia kanan kiri. Okay, so berkaitan dengan ni, so paksi x, so therefore 6 plus by 2. Okay, so directrix is, okay, so dia berkaitan dengan paksi x sebab dia bergerak kanan kiri. Okay, so directrix is x equal to coordinate of x from vertex, which is 6, plus by 2. Okay, so we have here x equal to 8. Okay, so next sketch the parabola. Okay, so we have vertex 6, 4. So 6, let's say I put here 6 and 4 here. Okay, so sebelum tu nanti tak cukup pula 8. Okay, so here 6 and here 8. Okay, so directrix is 1, x equal to 8. Okay, so x equal to 8. And the shape of the parabola open to the left. So coordinate of vertex is 6, 4. So 6 and here is 4. Okay, so macam mana nak tahu dia potong kat sini ke, dia potong kat atas ni ke? So macam mana? So this one here x equal to 0. At the origin x equal to 0. Okay, so substitute x equal to 0 into this one. So you will have y minus 4 power of 2 equal to negative 8. 0 minus 6 is negative 6. Okay, so you will have y minus 4 power of 2 is equal to 48. Okay, so y minus 4 equal to square root of 48. And y is equal to square root 48 plus by 4. Okay. Okay, so square root 48 plus by 4 ni nanti jawapan ni, because this one square root, so we have positive and negative. Okay. So 1 is positive here at the above, and negative at the below this one. Okay. Okay, so next number 4. Find the standard equation of the parabola which the directrix line is x equal to 3 and the focus is negative 3, 0. Okay, so macam mana nak cari vertex tadi kan? Given is focus and directrix. Okay, so directrix is x equal to 3. So let's say here x equal to 3. Directrix. And the focus is negative 3, 0. So negative 3 here. 0 here. Okay, so x negative 3, y 0. So here is focus. Okay, so dapat bayangkan tak? So bentuk parabola tu, the shape of the parabola must be open to the left. Okay, so dia macam ni. Okay. So open to the left. Okay, so tak tahulah vertex ni kat sini ataupun dekat tengah ni. Okay, so to know the vertex whether here or here. Okay, so vertex fokus dengan directrix ni dia sentiasa dia segariskan. So vertex kat sini. So yang kita tahu distance from focus and vertex from directrix are always same. Okay, so kita tengok distance from focus until directrix berapa ni. Okay, so here 3 and here 3. So total is 6. Okay. Okay, so therefore the vertex is at the middle between the focus and directrix. Okay. Okay, so 6 to find the middle. So the distance 6 we divide into 2. So become here 3 and here 3. Okay, so therefore P equal to 3 and the vertex is at origin. Okay, so before that find P. So P is equal to, so this one, distance is 1, 3 minus by negative 3 divide by 2. Okay, so kita dapat distance dia ni, which is 6 divide by 2. So we have P equal to 3. Okay, so therefore vertex Okay, so we can use the coordinate of focus, which is -3. Okay, so here -3. Okay, so kita nak dapat vertex dekat tengah ni, kita plus by 3. Okay, so plus by 3, 0. Okay, so we have here 0, 0. Okay, so therefore the standard equation of the parabola is, so now since we already know the the shape of the parabola is open to the left, so therefore the standard equation of the parabola is y minus by k power of 2 is equal to negative 4p x minus h. Okay, so what is k? K is 0. So y minus by 0 is only left y. So y power of 2 equal to negative 4p is 3 and x minus by 0. Okay, so we have here y square equal to negative 12x. Okay, so next, last one, I think this one. Okay, last question. Okay, so find the standard form of the parabola with vertex at -2, 3 and focus 0, 3. Okay, so we have vertex -2, 3 and focus is 0, 3. Okay, so nak letak mana? Dekat kiri, kanan, atas atau bawah? Okay, so tengok the coordinate which is same is 3. Okay, so coordinate yang sama adalah 3. So dekat y kan. Okay, so dekat y 3. So therefore we have here y which is 3. Okay, so y equal to 3. Okay, so next, okay, wait, before that, okay, so y is 3. Yang sama adalah y sama dengan 3. Okay? So put here 3, y axis. Okay, so the vertex is -2, 3. Okay, so this one 3 and this one here is x axis. Okay, so vertex is -2, so -2 we have here and 3, so here is vertex. Okay, so vertex -2, 3 and then focus is 0, 3. So focus 0, x 0 and y 3, so here is focus. Okay, so now we already have vertex here, focus here. So therefore the shape of the parabola must be like this, because focus inside the curve. Okay, so focus dalam curve. So therefore the shape of the parabola is open to the right. Okay, so if open to the right, so we have the standard form of the equation of parabola, which is y minus by k power of 2 equal to negative 4p, not negative, positive 4p. Okay, so 4p x minus by h. Okay, okay, so we already have the vertex for the value of k and h. Now only left we need to find the value of p. Okay, so p is the distance from the vertex to the focus. Okay, so find p. So v is here, so dia berkaitan sebab dia segaris macam ni secara mendata, therefore it is refer to the x-axis. So refer to the x-axis, so we have the distance p, which is from 0 until -2. Okay, so 0 minus by -2, which is equal to 2. Okay, so therefore the equation, standard form of the equation of parabola is y minus by k, which is 3, power of 2 is equal to 4, p is 2, and then x minus h is -2. Okay, so equal to y minus 3 power of 2 equal to 4 times 2, 8, x plus by 2. Okay, okay, so finish. Okay, so that's all for today's videos. Okay, so see you again. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera.